How to reset Facebook password if you've forgotten it. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following tutorial, I'll show you how can you reset Facebook password. So there are different ways you could reset your Facebook password. Now let's consider that you're already logged in and you want to change your Facebook password. So for that, you want to make sure to come to the home page or log in. And after you're logged in, you want to click on the menu bar and go to this gigabyte. And then go to settings and privacy. While you're on this page, you want to scroll down and go to see more in account center, and then you will see password and security. Then on this page you could find this option as change password right over here at the first. You could then go ahead and select the particular account for which you want to make sure to change your password or that you want to change it, but for that you have to make sure to enter in the correct password and then you'll be able to change it. So likewise, what else you could also do is, in that case, you could also log out of your account. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly log out. So here I'm going to click on the log out button, and once you've actually logged out, you'll be taken to the next field. So click on log out, and then you want to make sure to click on log into another account. Then you want to make sure to enter in the credential or the email address or phone number associated with it, and as for the password, you want to make sure to click on forgot password. Once you've done it, so it's gonna send you the SMS or a verification code. So you have to make sure to click on get code and enter in the verification code. Now here you'll be asked to create a new one and click on the continue button, and with that being said, you'll have successfully reset Facebook account password. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.